Hiya, my Happie Scrappie Cozy Winter Kit has just arrived. I subscribe in a B610 size. This is the gorgeous envelope here. I have just opened the envelope, but I haven't actually looked at what's inside. So let's have a look together. Oh, this is super cute. There's a little charm with these three cute characters on it. Love it. And oh, look at these pen loops. Look at that polar bear. Some 2 pen loops. This is the stickers, which we'll look at later. You can see there's a great heap of stickers. There's a pen, which is a nice superfine gel pen. The pens are always fantastic in the Happie Scrappie kit. They're always really nice to write with. There's this here, which is a sticker folder. Fantastic. It's a huge sticker folder. So it's got these 3 cute guys on the front, and then snowflakes foiled all over it, and snowflakes foiled on the back. And then inside we've got these pockets here. Pop some large stickers. And it's a really sturdy plastic. Love it. And then we've got here the insert. So this is my B6 insert, and the papers and vellum. More stickers. This is the insert. It's got these cute little houses on the front with snowflakes. Oh, cute. This little penguin guy. Love him. And this is the monthly layout. And then these are for the weekly. So these are dot grid. And the columns are generally 1.5 inches for most of the stickers that fit there. Then at the back, oh cute, there's a little bit of dot grid. Oh, look at the snowflakes everywhere. Love it. Oh, super cute. Love that insert. Perfect for winter. It's summer here right now, so I'll keep that one for winter. Then we've got the vellum. So it has a blue foil on it, and it's the stack of cups and then that stack of little critters. And inside it almost looks pink. And another blue foil with the cute little heads of the characters. The cute little seal and penguin and snowflakes. And that also looks pink on the inside, which I love. Love blue, love pink. We've got the house print here, but it's got foiled snowflakes on it. Oh, I just love this blue and this pink. So gorgeous. And inside we've got snowflakes. So there's 2 of those. And then we've got this page here, which has our cute little guys on it. This here, just so adorable, with our foiled snowflakes and foiled stars. So that's the outside. And then, oh, gorgeous. Look at those colours. Oh my goodness, that's the inside. And we've got 2 of those. I'm loving it. So they're the papers and the vellums and the insert. Then we've got the big sticker folder. And then all the stickers. So these are our full boxes. Oh my goodness, this guy. Just the colours. These colours are right up my alley. I'm loving them and loving that snowflake foil. I'll just try that. Fantastic. So this sticker folder fits those double sheets of stickers. So it easily fits 5 by 7 inch stickers, which is fantastic. Got our large, oh, this, I need 500 of these. These are so cute. So we've got 2 of those, one to use, one to hoard. They're big deco items, so really nice on dashboards, a really decent size for dashboards. And now we've got the great wad of stickers here. So we've got our days of the week. These are the 1.5 inch width, and then there's two smaller ones there. And there's two of those. And then here we've got our half boxes and our trackers, all with foiling on and all with those cute characters and all so adorable, and the colour palette is so soft and gorgeous. And here we've got, oh, there's weekly trackers there, they're new I think, and then the date dots, and then the little penguins here spell out weekend. Oh, blue. So this is a clear sticker sheet with a blue foil on it. So pretty. These are all little strips of headers. And then there's banners. And oh my goodness, the colours in the foil. So pretty. These, I love these every month. The sticky notes, the small sticky notes, perfect for our Hobonichi weeks, and the bigger sticky notes. And that penguin's just to die for. And the tabs, so these fold over, and you've got these ones here that also fold over and are just little and cute on the page. I'm loving this kit. And then we've got an extra sheet. We don't normally have this, so we've got a sheet of date dots in the blue foil. And oh, this is good. There's a sheet of checklists. So lots of penguins, lots of cups, and then we've got these checklists and these checklists. These actually look like they're sized for our Hobonichi weeks. And then we've got a sheet of deco items, and these have got a lot smaller than they have been in the past, so they will actually be perfect for our Hobonichi weeks, or perfect just for any type of planner, but like popping on things, like a little one on a header or a small box or something. So I love the small size, and I love these little penguin guys. Oh my goodness. This is the Cozy Winter Happie Scrappie kit, the November subscription kit, and I'm in love. I love it. The blues, the pinks, the foiling, the snowflakes, the penguins, the seals. It is totally adorable, and I will use every piece of it. Loving it. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.